Today I'll teach you how to download file in ASP.NET Core version 10. So now let's move on. I'm first showing you the folder where the files are stored. So in the Solution Explorer, you can check out the www root folder. There I've created another folder files which will be downloaded. Now I'll be adding a controller to our project. I'll be naming it as home controller. Now inside the controller, the very first thing, I'll be creating a property for iWeb host environment, which I'll be injecting into our controller using dependency injection. iWeb host environment property will be used for fetching the path of the www root folder. Now once the dependency injection is completed, now let's move to the action method which will be used for downloading the file. This particular action method I am creating as an async method so that during the file download operation the main thread is not blocked. This action method accepts the name of the file. The very first thing, I am generating the path to the file. For that I am combining the path of the www root folder which I am getting from the dependency injected iWeb host environment property, web root path, and the name of the folder and the file name. All these three combined will give me the path of the file. The next thing, I am checking whether the file exists in this location, and if the file exists, then it is read from the folder using read all bytes async method into a byte array. Finally, using the file function, the byte array is downloaded as file. And if the file not exists, then not found exception is returned. With this, we complete our controller part, and now we'll add a view to our project. Now inside the view, I am creating an action link with the help of HTML helper class. It accepts three parameters. The very first parameter is the text which will be displayed. So here I am putting as download. The second parameter is the name of the action method. So here I am setting it as download file. And the third thing is the parameter to be passed. So here I am passing the parameter file name and specifying the name of the PDF file which I want to download. So with this, we are ready to run our project and see it in action. As you can see, I am clicking on the download file and it is downloading the PDF. So with this, we are done. And today we learned how to download file in ASP.NET Core version 10. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.